Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y and change in Y. We will also check out the trend cycle of both the indices and try to interpret what is going on data on Y and trend cycle. First of all, we will start with Bank Nifty and first check out the closing price. The Bank Nifty has been closed at 19,297.25 on 29th May 2020, and we are talking about 4th June expiry. Now time to find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the highest range between the highest call and highest put. So first of all, we will find out where is the highest call. The highest call will act as the highest resistance for the Bank Nifty, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for it. Now if we go through this column, then here is around 4,28,000 contracts are open at 20,000. This is going to be the highest resistance, as we have the highest open interest in call side over here, followed by here 19,500. We have 3,22,000 contracts open over here, around at 19,500, around 3,22,000 contracts are over here. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for the Bank Nifty. And if we talk about change in Y, then we can notice over here around 1 lakh contracts are added at 19,200, and see this one, around 1,62,000 contracts are added at 20,000. So these are also an important level on the basis of change in Y, and these are going to be the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty if it tries to go up. Now time to find out the highest put or highest resistance for the Bank Nifty, and for that purpose we will go through this column. Then we will find here is around 5 lakh contracts are open at 18,000. Also you can check out here around 2,54,000 contracts are added in last day. So this is going to be very important level and very important support for the Bank Nifty edge. We have positional Y highest, as well as some very significant amount of call put added over here as well. And after this, the second highest support is here at 18,500. also 2,12,000 contracts are added over here as well. And then also check out this one, 19,000, 4,50,000 contracts are over here. So this is an important support or immediate support for the Bank Nifty as well. So we can say the trading range for the Bank Nifty is 18,500 to 20,000. This is going to be the trading range for the Bank Nifty, whereas the pivot level is 19,000, because we have 4,50,000 contracts over here and around 2.5 lakh contracts in call side. So this is going to be the pivot level for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty sustains above this, then we can see movement towards 19,500, 20,000, and it fails, then we will see movement towards 18,500, 18,000. So this is going to be the important make or break level for Bank Nifty. Also we will check out the net change. See this indication of call writing here, and here also indication of put writing. This simply indicates the both side call writing and put writing simply indicates that indices for this index was in a range, and it might be in a tight range. So for any kind of bigger move, we need to break out the range, either downside or above upside. So important level 19,000, and it is going to be in range. On basis of this data, we will also check out the trend cycle of Bank Nifty. Before that, we will move towards Nifty and find out where is the closing. 19,580. This is the closing of Nifty on 19th May, and we are talking about 4th June expiry. Now trading range, the highest call and highest put. Here is the highest call, 19,500. Around 15,21,000 contracts are added over here. So this is the highest call, followed by 13,19,000 contracts at 19,700. So these are going to be the important level as a resistance. We have very good amount of call added over here. Around 5 lakh contracts are added here. Change in open interest and 6 lakh contracts added here. So in change in open interest, these are also an important level for Nifty. Now time to find out the highest put. Then we will see here 19,200 has the highest, around 20 lakh contracts open in put side, followed by 900, around 18 lakh 91,000 contracts open at 9,000. So I also change on over change in open interest. This is also, these are two also very important levels, because here we can see 11 lakh contracts are in the last day. So this is the important level for the Nifty. 19,200 is going to be the important level for the Nifty. Now we will check out the trading range for the Nifty. Then trading range is seems to be 19,200 to here at 19,700, or we can say trading range is here 19,500 to 19,700. This can be the trading range, and also the pivot level for Nifty is this one, 19,500. Above this is positive, below this Nifty is negative. So this is the important level. And see this one, call buying, this indicates the call buying. That means long has happened over here, and people were interested in buying calls, and this indicates the put sell. This indicates the overall bullishness in Nifty. But we have seen some range in Bank Nifty. So this has to be seen if Bank Nifty takes Nifty down or Nifty takes Bank Nifty up. This totally depends on tomorrow's opening and market. Now we will move towards trend cycle and find out what is going on trend cycle. For that purpose we will move towards our blog, and I'll put the link in the video description so you can check as well. And first of all, I would like to I would like to say that please subscribe the channel and share the video. Now time to check out this trend cycle. See, I'm not seeing any strength in Bank Nifty as of now. This is totally short, long unwinding short cover. There is no long, but I am seeing some long in Nifty. So this creates some confusion. Nifty want to go up, Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty wants to go down. So what will happen? This depends on totally on market. So need to be careful, and with a strict stop loss you can trade your, you can take your trade basis of your own analysis. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, please share, and if you have any confusion, please comment in the comment box, and thank you for watching.